Good afternoon, YouTube friends. Thanks for visiting my channel. My name's Jim. Let me turn this rocker off. There we go. That's better. That's better. Okay, so what I want to talk to you today about is solar. Solar can be very rewarding, but it can also be very frustrating. I've had this off-grid property cabin for 2.5 years. I've been running with a 12-volt solar system, a 2,000-watt inverter, a 40-amp charge controller. Just doesn't work for me. So what I've done, and these are my panels. I've got 5 panels. I originally only had 3, so I went and bought 2 more, which gave me 5. Then I realized with a 40-amp charge controller I couldn't hook them up. So then I went and bought 3 more batteries. So I've got 6 100-amp, 105-amp batteries. Still not really cutting it for me. So this system's going to go. I'm going to use it for my shed down the road. So yesterday, my generator broke down, which made it even worse because I'm running a substandard system, and then I had no generator. And then I've had no sun for the last couple of days, which meant that I had almost no power. So it's close to Christmas, and I was running around looking to get my generator fixed, and nobody would do it for me. And I get it, it's close to Christmas. So I had to break down and buy a generator. I really didn't want to. I had a 3,000 watt generator, and I went and bought a 7,000 watt. It's not a really good generator, but it's good enough to keep me going for now. I don't plan on using the generator a lot because I plan on using solar. So this is my process right now I'm working on. I've got 16 solar panels, 290 watt, and I'm getting another 12, I think. So that's going to give me 28 solar panels at 290 watts each, which is going to be lots. I've also got 150 amp midnight charge controller, brand new, and I've got a 6,000 watt inverter charger. So I think now I'm set. Just got to do some wiring, and that's my project for today and tomorrow. Get these things wired up. I did have a bunch of wire given to me from my buddy. I really appreciate that. So yeah, I've got my wire, got all my connectors, I got breakers. So we get this thing going, and with any luck at all, I'll have lots and lots of power. Don't plan on using the generator very much, so I didn't mind buying a 7,000 watt generator. It's going to use a lot more fuel than what my 3,000 watt generator inverter used. But anyways, so I built that frame a couple weeks ago before the snow came. It's a bit of a bog out there. I was trying to figure out how to do it, what would be the best way to do it. Wasn't really sure. I wanted to get it out there, and I wanted to get it so the sun would hit on them. So I ended up building the whole thing out of pressure-treated wood. It's fixed now, so I can't tilt them, and that's why I'm actually having extra panels. That way, if they don't get tilted, it doesn't matter. I should have enough panels that even on a cloudy day, I should be able to get hydro. So all built out of pressure-treated wood, and I got all the legs, and I got 5-foot 2x4s and just pounding them right in the ground, all the way down. So that thing's sitting level, and the base is 5 foot into the ground. Like I say, it's sitting on a bog. I don't honestly think it's going to move. I'm hoping it's not. I tried to put it as far away from the house as I could because I didn't want to block my view of the lake, which is behind it. But yeah, I think it's going to work. The phone's a little shaky right now because I'm cold. So anyways, subscribe to my channel. I'm looking for subscribers. I'm trying to build this channel up, and the more subscribers I have, then the more time I'll put into it. And hopefully get a whole bunch of information to you guys as I learn it. Living off grid can certainly be challenging, but it can also be really rewarding. And you know, you want to get away from the hustle and bustle of the city. You want to get out in the wilderness with the animals and the black flies. Then this is how you do it. It's relatively quiet out here. I'm on a main road, so I have the advantage of that, and I'm half an hour from town, so I have the advantage of that. But it's still like being in the middle of nowhere. So yeah, a couple weeks ago, I started building myself a trail through the bush. So I've got 27 acres, so I went down one side of the property with this trail, and I found out where everything was, where the low areas were, where the water was, and I'm not gonna worry about it right now. But now I want to go down the other side of my property, see what's out there. Don't think there's anything out there, but it's my property, so I might as well go out and investigate it and find out what's out there. So yeah, that's my video for today. Hit that subscribe button down in the corner there. I appreciate that. Like my video. I'd rather you subscribe than like it, but do both. You guys have a great day. Appreciate you guys, and I enjoy talking with you. Bye.